Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Air Pollution Monitoring using Arduino with ESP8266, and the sensors are MQ135, MQ2, MQ4, MQ7, and we are using TCP IP terminal app to monitoring the data onto the hyper terminal. Power supply, Arduino Uno R3 board, 0 to 9 volts adapters power source, and it gives to the Arduino board 5 volts power supply. And MQ135 CO A0, it is connected to the analog A0. MQ132 MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor, it is connected with A1, and alarm, it is connected with the 7th pin. MQ7 carbon monoxide sensor, it is connected to CO2 A3. MQ4 methane gas sensor, it is connected to the A2. A0, A1, A2, A3, 4 sensors we are using, and we are sending the data to ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. It is connected with RX, TX 0 and 1, and LCD display, it is connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 GPIO pin number. And this is our block diagram. Let us coming into the hardware part. 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it gives to power supply here. Okay, power supply here, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply board, and same to same bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and 1 LED. Arduino Uno R3 board, 16 x 2 LCD display, and sensors are MQ135 air quality sensor, and MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor, MQ4 methane gas sensor, MQ7 carbon monoxide sensor, alarm, and ESP8266. Here also 3.3 volts power supply, and ESP8266 Wi-Fi module we are using. So here whenever we start the project, you have to go for the Wi-Fi should be on. Okay, Wi-Fi should be on, and it will show you the ESP8266 connected. Okay, and I will go to press the reset button. Here is the reset button. Air pollution monitoring using IoT sensors, MQ135, MQ2, MQ4, MQ7, Wi-Fi testing, connected, echo, finding network phone, and it is connected with the ESP8266. Okay, and we are using TCP Telnet app 192. Here you have to press 192.168.4.1. port number is 23. So when we press, you can see the data onto the terminal window. Okay, so now MQ135, MQ2, MQ4, and CO2, all the sensor data continuously it is showing on the LCD, and as well as it is sending on to the terminal app also. So now I am going to give MQ135. First one, yeah, 200, and it will come hazardous. Alarm should be on. Okay, MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor, MQ2 smoke. So all the sensors are data continuously coming. Smoke, CH4, CO2, CH4, smoke. So MQ135, MQ2, MQ4, and MQ7, alarm, and 16x2 LCD display, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and Arduino Uno R3 board, power supply, and this is the reset button. And here is the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, and here is the sensor data output. Okay, so use a latest lighter, then it will come output. Okay, finding network, go to TCP Telnet and press this, and the values will come continuously. $200 and above, all set points are 200 above, alarm should be on, hazardous. Thank you.